Hello students and welcome to our channel Science Solution. This is Manju Sharma here again with another video tutorial. Students, our today's video will be based on nutrition in amoeba and paramecium. The topic is hardly given for a few lines in your NCERT book, but it's very important if you consider the previous year's questions, because we bring to you not only the topic-wise explanation but also the previous year's questions, which are very important, so that you, after covering each and every topic, you also go through the important questions which do come in the board exams from these topics. It has a pattern which we will teach you step by step in each and every of our video tutorials. So kindly subscribe onto our channel so that you stay tuned and you are also focused for your exams. Students, for personal consultation, guidance for each topic or chapter, we have an email ID which is posted below in the description box. You can follow it. You can email me so that we do cover your personal problems or personal doubts. So without doing a further ado, let's get started. So today's topic, nutrition in amoeba and paramecium. It is a very important topic, student. It is not at all highlighted in your textbook. But why I'm calling it as important is because every alternate year, even consequently in many years, we have seen a 3-mark question, 2-mark question and a 1-mark question coming from this topic. So about nutrition in amoeba and paramecium, both of them, they are unicellular organisms and their mode of nutrition is heterotrophic and holozoic. The terms heterotrophic and holozoic are very important, students, and they have been clearly described in the video number 2 for life processes in our previous video. So for the students, those who have not watched or those who have missed the previous video, kindly go to our description box and the link is given below. Click on the link and please go through that video, because as you are important for your board exams, each and every tutorial is going to be very important if you don't want to miss out your marks. So for today's topic, amoeba and paramecium, both they have got heterotrophic mode of nutrition and holozoic mode of nutrition. So prepare for your board exams thoroughly with Science Solution, with proper explanation and previous year's questions. So now let us come on to the different stages in nutrition or feeding of amoeba. So then this topic is not at all explained in your NCERT book, but very important, these steps diagrams has been given in your book, and this diagram is a very important diagram for 3 marks. Many years in board exams we have seen this diagram has come in for many years. Okay, so the first step is ingestion. It is unicellular organisms. It with the help of cytoplasmic streaming, it has got cytoplasm and it streams out the cytoplasm in different directions to form pseudopodia. The pseudopodia means false feet. False feet are extended and the food is engulfed inside the body. That is why it has got holozoic nutrition, and the food is also digested inside the body. That means it has got a body of single celled, and this food is digested inside the single cell itself, okay, with the help of enzymes present inside the food vacuole. So the first step of ingestion, second step digestion, third step absorption. After the food is digested completely, the materials are absorbed with the help of diffusion into the cell, and after it has absorbed, it has got assimilation and growth of amoeba takes place, and finally the undigested things are thrown out with the help of the process of ingestion. So the fifth step, this is the process of ingestion. So these are the 5 steps of nutrition in amoeba. Very important, students, important from explanatory point, important from the diagram point of view. You can take a screenshot for this diagram and please practice this diagram, very important for 3 marks. So ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and finally ingestion in amoeba. These are the 5 steps which you need to show if there is a question for explain the different steps of nutrition in amoeba, or with the help of diagram or explanation. Okay, so this is about amoeba. So second part of this slide is nutrition in paramecium. Nutrition in paramecium. Okay, the spelling might be confusing. Somewhere it is written MOE, somewhere it is written ME. Both the spellings are considered for paramecium. Okay, both the spellings are correct. So nutrition in paramecium. Paramecium, again, it is a unicellular organism, but you can see its structure outside. Its single cell. It has got various hair-like outgrowths. This one. These are called as cilia. Now this cilia together they sweep and take the food inside the oral groove. So all the cilia they will sweep together as the oars in of the people who ride the boat throw oars in a boat race competition, as you have seen in Kerala. So like that, all these will sweep the food inside the oral groove. Now once the food gets inside the oral groove, it goes inside the body. Okay, it goes inside the body and digestion takes place in the food vacuole inside the body, and after that absorption and assimilation takes place. Okay, egestion through the anal pore. This one you can see again, it comes near the surface of the cell membrane, and then egestion takes place from this point. So this is how nutrition in paramecium takes place. Diagram is not important as it is not given in your book, but the explanation is not quite clear. It's just a few lines, but you should explain the nutrition in paramecium, like the cilia come together, sweep the food, get it inside the oral groove, and then the food enters the food vacuole where digestion takes place with the help of enzymes. Okay, and after digestion, assimilation, absorption and assimilation takes place in the cells by diffusion and then egestion through the anal pore. So these are the different steps of nutrition in paramecium. Okay, for diagram point of view, this diagram is not needed for class 10 students. Now, what were the previous year's questions? The most important point which we cover in our video. Students, it's very important to see the previous year's questions while you go through the topic. So please subscribe onto our channel so that you get frequent updates and prepare well for your board exams. So the first question, paramecium, how does paramecium obtains its food? 2023, so it may come to you also. So paramecium, how does it obtains its food? With the help of its cilia. It sweeps the cilia, takes in the food inside the oral groove, and digestion takes place inside the food vacuole inside the unicellular body of the paramecium. Okay, then how does nutrition take place in amoeba? Nutrition, there were different steps, 5 steps. The diagram was also there. So nutrition, that those different steps you should show it. Okay, that diagram. If you didn't take the screenshot, please take the screenshot of that diagram. It's a very, very important diagram for this chapter. So next one is, how is it different in paramecium? In amoeba, it extends its false feet. In paramecium, it sweeps the food through its cilia. Next one is, explain with the help of neat and well labeled diagram the different steps involved in nutrition in amoeba 2015. So again, the diagram of nutrition of amoeba, which is also given in your NCERT book, it is important for 3 marks. Next one, describe the process of nutrition in amoeba with the help of diagrams. You can see the same question has been repeated in 2015, 2016, 2017. For a few years it has not come, so this diagram may again come for you. It is a very easy diagram. I think you can clear it within a few minutes. Okay, so I hope you have learned a lot in this video, so stay tuned. Our next video will cover photosynthesis and autotrophic nutrition. So I hope, students, that you will prepare step by step. So prepare step by step for your board exams with science solution. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.